What's up, YouTube? So I'm doing a quick little style tutorial, look and see, of this Crochet River Locks. It is color 1B, I believe 30, but it's called River Locks. I purchased the hair from Amazon. It was under $50. So typically how I start with my cornrows, I do straight back. One little fact about me, like I'm a hairstylist, but I really just don't like doing my hair. But sometimes you just gotta do what you gotta do. So I got it in there and started to, do my own hair. So I cornrow it straight to the back. I don't like overlap, so you won't see the part in the back. Whatever. I don't do any of that. I just regular straight back. I think I did connect like two in the front. I think I did. I don't know. We'll see. I think I just did it straight back, but I leave out my edges. Yeah, I did straight back. Yep, just straight back. Leave out my edges because I'm super sensitive, super tender-headed, and I want my edges.
Years later.
Came back the next day. Yeah, I left the shop. I think I installed them at home. Yeah, I did because I had to work that day.
2,000 years later.
Yeah. And just finishing touches in the front, couple of pieces. After I lay down my edges, I attach crochet like kind of on top. Okay, so at this part right here, I like to put black spray, a little bit of black spray on my root area. So it looked like a grown out effect, like my natural hair, like an ombre effect. I just like doing it, just darkening it up at the new growth at the root area. Sometimes just to break up the colors. But this is it, the finished product. And so now what I'm going to do is just move the hair back and forth, just to try to put it up in different styles to see what I like, just to show you just the versatility of having a crochet install. There's many different textures nowadays. Like I said, this is the River Lock hair. I purchased it from Amazon. It was one pack. It was under $50. I want to say like 40. Color probably was like TB 33. I don't know exactly. I'll try to find it and put the link in the description box. If you are enjoying my content, please like and subscribe. Leave a comment. You feeling this hair? I'm not. Have you rolled crochets before yourself? What did you think? I like them because they don't take all day to install. If I'm doing this on somebody else, I can get it done in 2 to 3 hours. On myself, of course, it takes longer because, I be tired and I don't like doing my hair. So, yeah. The style, 2 hours. For me, I wear mine 2 weeks. Most of my clients wear 4 weeks or longer. I say 5 weeks if you're trying to push it. That's your sweet spot, just to max it out. This is pre-looped hair. Of course, you have an option if you wanted to reuse this hair. Most people don't. They just buy new hair. But like if you balling on the budget and you're trying to watch it, you can opt to reuse this hair over. I say with this hair, it has like little loose pieces, so that's gonna get frizzy, so you may have to cut them off. But that's a middle part. I really like that middle part. I believe is I believe it's 18 inches.